Hi everybody. Craft outlet unboxing, because what else would I be unboxing? This is actually what I got for Christmas from my friend Jenny and my friend Michelle. They both got me craft outlet gift cards at my behest, at my behest. So I ordered some stuff and immediately forgot what everything was. I know it's a lot of mesh, because I was going through and I was like, yeah, I like that, I like that, I like that. You know when you shop it with somebody else's money? It's fun. I wish I could do that more often. But my birthday's in like 2 months, so maybe I get to do it again pretty soon. Why didn't I grab a knife? And I ordered this. Today's Christmas Eve. I ordered this yesterday. I ordered it on 23rd. It got here on the 24th, and it is like noon. So even on Christmas Eve, oh, I bought picks. I forgot I bought picks. I'm excited. Even on Christmas Eve, Craft Outlet has impeccable shipping. Let's see. Subtotal, it doesn't tell me how much I spent. It just says subtotal -$566. So I had $140, so I guess this is like $135 worth of stuff. I'm not doing the prices. And yeah, I bought my first 50-yard spool of ribbon. Y'all, let me actually see how much this was. I think this was like $8.50. $8.50 for 50 yards of ribbon. That is a lot of ribbon. I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of Easter. Here is 2 Mardi Gras picks. I don't know what I got these for, especially since I finished my Mardi Gras thing last night, but those are cool. Little velvet balls. Let me at least see how much that stuff is. Mardi Gras spray. They were $3.15 each. That is really good. This is, what is it? It is clearly Easter. Item HE4120. Pussy Willow spray, spring multicolored, $3.50 each. I have 2 of them. That's gonna be pretty in an Easter wreath, huh? Wow, I went like ham with the picks, huh? Is this country candy? That might be the country candy. This is 6.6. I got 2 of them, whatever it is. Mini fuzzy ball spray spring mix, $2.18 each. I like those. They're just a little pom-pom. And this is the Country Candy Shop spray. These are $1.75 each. I don't know why I only got 2 of these if they were only $1.75, but again, very springy, Eastery. Like, you know, coming around the bow. Cute. Can I get them back in here? Yes. every time I say I'm not going to do the prices, I end up doing it because I'm like, wait, let me see how much I paid for that. All right, everything else is, I don't think there's any particularly expensive mesh. One of them was $6.50. Yeah, and that's one I've bought before. So here's a little spring sign. This is the one that's $6.50. Hello Spring. $3.95. That's pretty nice. Y'all, I know I just said in the other, oh, there's so much Deco mesh. I said that I never order gold because it never looks right, and this one does not look right either. So, there's some pink, green, and purple ribbon, a gingham, orange, and white. Does that mean what is the rest of this all mesh? I think so. All right, let's see. Here's a mint. Why on earth did I order this? This is ugly. Really ugly. I mean, I'll find something to do with it, but like, it's cheap mesh too. It's like value mesh. I must have had, maybe I'll find whatever I was gonna put with this in the box and wear. A black and white stripe. This one's called milk chocolate. I bought it because they never have it. I thought I would like this for like a gingerbread wreath for Christmas, but it was in stock. I bought it. These are like $2.50. They're super cheap. I think they're definitely under like $3. Let's see. These are basically the same except one has smaller stripes. These are both for Easter wreaths, obviously. These are, I mean, this one's super nice. They're both super nice, but look how, I mean, compared to, where's one of these value meshes? But so you can, I mean, this is like super thin, not much in it. Yeah. I love this one. I think I already have a roll of that from the last order. Does anybody remember that? This is a white and an iridescent. This is a white with a laser silver. See how it's kind of holographic? These are both unicorn mesh. I made a Christmas wreath with these last year, but this was very thin. And I think I only used one roll. So I got two of them, and I think it's going to go with like either this or this one. I don't know. I thought this might be a little bit lighter. Ooh, like this one? I don't know. It's gonna go with one of those. Here's a yellow iridescent. This is the mint. These are probably gonna go together. Well, I mean, not both of them, but like that. But hey, that just so happens to match that ribbon I got. Unicorn mesh again. This is a gold border stripe. This is not bad. I don't like this. Cream and gold. I have a roll of cream Deco mesh that I bought, I think, my very first order from Craft Outlet, and I have not used it for anything. It's like this color and this color. This is just a blue metallic. I think it's going with this one, maybe, or maybe this one's going with this one, because this is just a metallic blue border stripe. You can barely see it. Coral? Easter, I guess? And this one is, oh, this one's called milk chocolate. What's the brown one called then? Oh, sorry y'all. This is milk chocolate, this is just chocolate. They're both terrible. They're both hideous colors. So yeah, that is what my friends bought me for Christmas. Didn't they do a good job of picking out stuff? I'm not even sure I did a good job of picking out stuff. Like, let me try to get back. Like, I love the picks. Love the picks. I'm glad that I like this ribbon because I bought so much of it. It's just going to go in every wreath from now until Jesus rises again. This I mean, I always like putting orange in the Easter wreath. And this I like too. And the sign. But, this color, what color is this supposed to be? RE132. Denim blue. I don't know what I bought that for. I really don't. But yeah, I think that is a nice haul. And I know what I'm doing with most of these. Like, this is going with these are going together. These are going with craft things. These are not craft. These are going with burlap bases. These are going with I don't know. I'm like, I know what I'm doing, and then I'm like, wait, am I? I don't know why I bought that Mardi Gras stuff. That might just I think I had plans to make 2 Mardi Gras grapevine wreaths, but after the last one I made, I don't know. So this is part 2 of my spring haul, and I think this is going to get me through the next couple of months. Next month, maybe next couple of weeks, I don't know. I really like that sign. Just because it's got like all the colors in it. I don't know, like, why this? Definitely why this? Why these? But yeah, so that's what I got. Let me arrange things so I can take a nice screenshot for the thumbnail. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, and we'll be doing stuff with all of this stuff at some point, hopefully. Probably not this one. Or this one, or this one. This almost looks neon. But I must have got it for a reason. I'll figure it out. I'll remember. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.